Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to build create pins. And we were trying to do it this morning, but I missed some steps, so I have to go back and figure it out. So here is the way. So first of all, you have to choose a template first. So that was the issue. I was just trying to show you guys where it is on the apps, but we didn't see it. So the thing is, you go to templates. You can get a template first, and I like this one. I already found this one and I like it, so I'm gonna just use this one, and that's what the one we were also going for. And then as we already have our template, now we can go to the apps and we will see the bulk create. See, this is what we were missing because we didn't have a template. So now, first of all, you get your template, and then it doesn't matter what you create, maybe a Facebook post, Instagram, whatever. First, look under the social media, get a template like here. You can choose here social media and then get a template, and then you can go ahead and start your bulk creation. So here is a bulk create, and I already have chat creating my title and stuff we already did, and I told chat to create it, to put it under a Google Sheet, and I have that. She already downloaded. Where to go? Let's see. Where's my? Okay, so it's here. I'm just gonna copy the title. Okay, and then let's go back to our here. So you can either, so if you have, because this one is really not neat, I'm not using this over there on my pin. So I'll just enter it manually because I'm also adding images. So you can either upload one. So if you have something that's really neat, a Google Sheet that's really neat, you already have your titles and all the columns, done, you can upload. If not, you can enter manually. So I'm going to enter data manually, and I'll just paste whatever I copied from there. So right now I have 10 titles, and I'm going to add another. So if you, let's say you wanted another column for whatever, you can add, just click the add text column, and then you can add whatever you want to add here. Um, Let me see what my thing have. It has this one and this one. So that's easy. Maybe I can add a second one to have this my website. So let's do that. Let me close this one. Okay. So this one can be web. Let me just put web. Okay, and then let's make a third one for the images. And for the images, you have to save it first. So for example, I already created a folder that have Korea image, images of Korea, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna write here, voyage, voyagemeluna.com. I'm not gonna type it one by one. You better copy it, paste, paste, paste. So that field is gonna have the same. If you want it, you could be read the guide or read the post, read the blog, read here, something like that. Anything that you want to have, you could uh you could add. Oh, why is it create another one? Oh, never mind. Okay, so let's just go here and add. So I already have folder for Korea. So here, and this is why Korea should. So I'm just gonna put just any image here, just image that have something that's have to do with Korea. And so this is why saving and having your pictures, your images already saved is handy. So all you have to do is just add them. If you didn't have anything, it would be like, I don't know. Yeah, you won't be able to add them. You have to like create the folder already, and it's super easy to create. I can show you that too. To create your folders of picture. Where was I? Thing. Um, okay. And this one maybe. And This one? We already have that one. Maybe change it to this one. Okay, I'm missing one. I don't know which one. We have silver. This one. Okay, so now we have all different pictures. Okay, so now we hit done. Okay, so as you can see here, it has for one title and the placeholder for my website. Okay, so I'm gonna put here let's go to, what is it? Okay, oh, now it's here, easy. So usually it was like, yeah, you could just like do a click, but no, so now they have it here. So connect data, I think you can still see it here. Yeah, so it's still here. You can either click here, connect data, or here, connect data. So because this is what we want to connect with. Oh, they have another one here. Interesting. I don't know what we can put here. Let's see my bucket list. Want to visit Korea. I didn't see that they have more 1, 2, 3. We can remove it since we don't have anything, or we can leave it and then we can see what we can add. But here, connect data, and then we're gonna put here title. Okay, so this is gonna be our title. Okay, and then here, same thing, connect data, and this is gonna be the web one. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but we can remove them after, no the big deal, or we can go ahead and delete it now too. So continue, and all the title we added are here already. So all you have to do is just click generate. And if you like said maybe you had more than 10, or you have like 100, but you only wanted to start with 30, you know, or 10, whatever, however many, you can just uncheck whichever you don't want to add for now, you know, but let's do generate the 10. And let it work. So it's already generated. View. So right now, as you can see, we have 10. Oh, we forgot a step. Let's go back. We didn't do the image. No wonder why. Okay, so I'm going to click on the image, and then let me see if I can. Let me detach. Okay. Okay, so now I can connect image. Okay. Okay, I don't know why it's not, but let's do that again. Detach, and then we can connect it this way then. Okay, because it was still gray. Advanced option, I don't know, I never. So let's go back, generate, and this time it should add the images. Okay, so all we have to do then, I guess, just replace background. Usually, this is my first time creating the pins in bulk, but usually you can just have the connect the data with the image right there. You don't have to like detach it, but this also works. And of course, you will have to make sure everything is nice and neat. Of course, the word is like, you know, good. And I have my brand color. So this part is paid version. You have your brand color and the paid version. I don't think the free one, you can create your brand colors and your brand, you know, logo, you know, the font, all those kind of stuff. So this is my, and I'm just gonna shuffle. Oh, I like the green one. Let's go back, not this one. Okay, this one, and I'm just gonna, I can apply to all pages. So it will fix it for me, you know, on all the pages. And then You can even, if you don't want all of them to look the same, click on this one and then change it to, right? So it looks different from the other ones. Same thing for this one. We can do that. And so we can have some type of variation. This one is the same. Yeah, so something like that. What else is this? Okay, so now what's left is just to make sure our wordings is good. We have, I want to change this picture. I'll definitely change it. So this one is, I'm definitely going to remove these emojis. Okay, and I'll put 2026. Why Korea should be your next bucket list trip. So what other things you can do also? So if I left, that today, that one here, the one that was here, right? Oh, it's gone from here too. But the today, we could add another type of differentiation from that. Like if I wanted to, why Korea should be your next bucket list. I can just like why Korea should be. Maybe I could cut it from here and then comment X, and then I will put it somewhere here. Of course, we're gonna make sure everything looks nice. And then we can change this. Okay, make that bigger. Oops. Oh my goodness. Let me highlight it. Okay, now I can move it here. Of course, change the, and I can add highlight behind it instead. Just for like differentiating, the two. And then let's see. Okay. And we can make it even better. Let's see which color. Nope. Blue. Oh gosh, that's ugly. So just something like that. And of course, we don't need this 10 thingy. Maybe if you have like 10 best whatever, 10 this, 10 that, we could. So if I want, I can put my logo in there instead. Let's make it small, like that, maybe. Okay. And this is what's like good because you already have created at least 10 things. So you have to just like, change something, change the color, maybe change the font, and then, rearrange the words, something like that. Like this one is too long, so we have to fix them. You can also like do the same thing, divide it in two, what to know, and no comment X. Okay. And I can just do this if I didn't want to make it different. Okay. And make it bigger maybe. And I can do the same. Just to have something in there instead of the 10 since we don't have the 10. And then that's it. Like just keep changing, keep adding. And if you were to create like this thing one by one, it's gonna take you more time. That's just fixing stuff. Like this one, we just fixing, making sure everything looks good. And like changing font, maybe if you don't like the font that the templates give you, and also adding your brand color, adding your touch in there, and then that's it. And then you can just download all of them here. Let me see. I'm gonna just download the 3 or the 2 that I fix, just to show you. Download. I'm gonna choose just this one. Okay. At least those are done, right? For for the sake of time. So I'm gonna go to the Pinterest website and I will do, I think I already posted this one. Okay. So I'm gonna create pin here. And then I will choose one of the, oh, I have to unzip it. Let's go back. Okay. So now I can add, yeah, I already did that title. So let me use this one. So here I'm gonna go back to chat and then I will use the template. I mean the maybe here. Ultimate. Oh, here, complete. I'm gonna copy this one and then go back Pinterest. I'll put the title there. And I have also go back because this is the description that you're gonna put under the pin here. Okay. And you can add hashtags to hashtag Korea, hashtag Asia, okay, hashtag, I don't know, whatever. Okay. So now we're gonna go to whatever link. So I'm gonna go to my blog and I'll copy the blog. So this is what I was talking about. If you create just one blog, one piece of content, you can make multiple pins from it. Instead of you have to create multiple content, you can create one content, multiple pins. Okay, here we choose our board. I put them in the travel hacks. And then again, search for some tags here to add South Korea, Asia, Asian destination, maybe travel hacks. So depending on whatever you want to add, you can add more stuff in here. And you can like, let's say maybe you created a piece of reel, like TikTok, wherever. You can use also those links so people can go there too. That's also giving you more of your reach, on the also, your TikTok or your Instagrams. More people see your videos too. So, and then publish. That's it. So that's how you create multiple pins using the bulk create and then posting them. And also, if you want, you can schedule pins here. So after you put all the information, you click on the publish for later, and then you can choose a date. You also have up to 29 days for you to schedule post. All right, happy creating.